everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we are going to be doing a holiday mani and we're going to be using a stamping plate from Maniology. Now this little bundle here, it's a holiday limited edition. This is the Snow Day Nail Stamping Bundle and it is limited edition, so if you were eyeing it up, definitely don't wait on it because once it's gone, it will be gone. So the first thing in the kit is the little card, the scraper card, and then it has the matching stamper in here. And I really like when they do their holiday bundles, how the stamper and the card are a unique theme. I definitely like that about the Maniology, and it just is a little special touch to make it definitely in that holiday vibe. Okay, and then the next thing in here are going to be the polishes. Now in this kit you do get 3 limited edition colors and they are going to be holiday colors. So the first one here, it's called Grinchmas and it is a beautiful pearly green, and I really like this green. It's very bright and vibrant, and it's going to go with a lot of things, and you can even use this for the upcoming St. Patty's season, so stay tuned for that because you probably will see it in one of my manis. And then I really like this blue called North Pole. This is the perfect blue for the upcoming chilly season here in Wisconsin for January, and I really like that blue. It also has the pearl finish to them as well. And then the next one in here, it's a red, and it's a bright red called Candy Cane. And here it is as well. It's super pretty, and I like how it's a brighter red. It's really going to look pretty on a lot of different nail backgrounds, whatever color you choose to do your stamping. Alright, so here are the plates. There are 3 total in the bundle. And I really like the sleeves that they come in. I actually keep all my stamping plates in that little sleeve that you see here. And then on the back of each packaging, it has the directions, and it also has the plate number on it. So here's the first plate. It has all different snowflakes on there. And then the next one here, it has little gnomes on it. And I think it's super cute. And you can also build a gnome as well. And then here is the next one. It is the one we're going to be using. It is reminding me of like Christmas Toyland. I really like this one a lot. So you will see this one here in action. And the best part of a stamping plate is peeling off that little blue film on there. It's like the best part of peeling off a new stamping plate. And then here are the dip powders that we're going to be using today for the mani, and those colors are from Risen Legacy. We are going to be making a press-on mani and doing the gel method. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and link everything that we're using in today's mani and all the Maniology stuff in the description box below. Alright, so let's dive into this mani process. For today's mani, it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a watch me do a mani. So I will pop back in at the end of the whole mani process, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super cute, definitely giving me that Toyland mani kind of vibe, and I really like how that green polish looks over that red dip powder. It is beautiful. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-ons. Stay tuned, we will be using that snowflake stamping plate in a future video for a cool winter mani, and I'll see you in the next upload.